When researching in the library, there are many places to find information. Today, we will be learning how to hunt for a variety of nonfiction resources and tracking the validity and accuracy of the information. After viewing the online resources, you will be answering the question, why is it important to have a variety of resources, and how you would check the validity and accuracy of the information you've found. Under each heading, you will find videos, games, and lists that will guide you in your hunting and tracking endeavors. As a student in the digital age, you will be bombarded by information. It is imperative that you have the ability to locate resources and determine if they are valid or not. These skills will benefit you both academically and socially. In school, if you know the different types of sources and can pinpoint accurate information, you can quickly locate materials for lessons and projects. Socially, these skills will protect you from falling victim to the world of misinformation and spreading unreliable facts and stories. Have fun on your hunt and make sure you remember your tracking skills.